In this video, we will show how to clean LCoS displays for different display package versions. Before starting, make sure to use ESD protection and prepare the following tools: isopropanol, a cotton swab, tweezers, and a cross-tip screwdriver. First, we will show how to open the aperture for ceramic display package versions of Pluto 2.1, Gaia, and LITO. Turn the display over to access the two screws that hold the aperture in place. Use the screwdriver to remove both screws. You will now be able to open the aperture. Now we will show how to remove the aperture of LCoS display for metal display package versions of Pluto or Pluto 2. Use the tweezers to carefully remove the aperture. This can be a bit fiddly at first. For the newer Eris version, hold the aperture on both sides and carefully nudge it side to side until it is released, and you can pull it upward. Soak the cotton swab in isopropanol and gently wipe any dust or dirt off the display. This procedure applies to all SLM display versions. To put the aperture back in place, hold it again on both sides and push it down slowly until it's fixed in place. For the ceramic display package versions of Pluto 2.1, Gaia, and LITO, put the aperture back in place and fix it back with the screws. To reattach the aperture for metal display package versions of Pluto or Pluto 2, please follow the following instructions. Position the aperture bar opposite the flex cable underneath the display's frame. Do not use excessive force. Rotate the aperture slightly until it stays in place by itself. To secure the second bar, you may need to gently press down the bar by hand. Rotate the aperture again until the cutout hole aligns with the knob on the display's frame.